going to do today?
Today we're gonna do experiments in the science kit.
So today we are going to test the science experiments from this ultimate science kit. It's also called as Einstein box. Okay, shall we start?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The first experiment we are going to try is making of mini soaps. For this, you just need a glycerin flake and a food coloring. Break the glycerin flake into small pieces in a pan. Add 2 to 3 drops of color to it. Add some scent if you need it. Heat the pan until the glycerin flakes melt completely. Do not allow it to boil. You can also add some milk or honey if you want. Both are good moisturizers. I added little honey. Now pour the mixture into a mold and freeze it for half an hour. That's it, your soap will be ready. The soap came out really good. It's good for lathering with lot of bubbles. What about the soap experiment? Is it A or nay?
A.
Very good. It's also success. The soap is working very well, right?
Yes.
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 The next experiment we are going to try is making of a bath bomb. This is really an interesting one. We need to mix baking soda, cornstarch and citric acid together to make it. So in a bowl, add 3 scoops of baking soda, 2 scoops of citric acid and 4 scoops of cornstarch. Then pour 5 ml of oil to it and add some food coloring and a scent. We are adding a green apple scent to it. Now mix it together and make it into a ball. We are also hiding a surprise gift inside. Place the ball in a cup and freeze it overnight. Next day, remove the bath bomb from the freezer and drop it into a bucket or a bathtub. Enjoy watching it fizz in the water. So we have done our bath bomb experiment. Is the bath bomb experiment A or nay?
A.
You?
A.
Very good. It's success. Next one is color changing flower experiment. For this experiment, we should fill the test tubes with colored water and keep a white flower with a long stem inside it. And we should leave it for overnight. We tried this with 2 flowers. After 24 hours, nothing had happened. The flowers didn't change color at all. So this experiment is completely a flop. Okay. What about the color changing flower experiment? Is it A or nay?
Nay.
You?
Nay.
Yes, it doesn't come properly.
No, it didn't work.
Yes. So the next one we're gonna try is glowing name and glowing moon and stars. My kids really loved this experiment and it's very simple to do. We have to add 1 scoop of glow powder to a cup, then add some clear glue and mix it well. Now dip the stick into the mixture and write the names. They also gave a sticker sheet with the kit. So, apply the mixture to the stickers and let it dry completely. Now you can turn off the lights and watch your stickers glow. This is really so much fun. Next is the glowing name and the glowing stars. What about that? Is it A or nay?
A. A.
Yes, it worked very well.
Yeah, and it's also green and you can see it really brightly.
Next one is making of fluffy slime. I was sure enough that this experiment won't work because it's making of slime with just 2 ingredients without any activator. Anyway, we tried this to find it out whether it works or not. For this, you need to add equal parts of corn flour and shampoo as per the instructions. The mixture is too runny and doesn't form slime how much ever corn flour is added. So this is completely a flop. Okay, next one is the slime experiment with just 2 ingredients. Is that worked?
No.
No.
No, it didn't work.
Yes. It didn't work. The next one we are gonna try is making of colorful jewels. For this you need 15 ml of water in a cup and add red color to it. Now add 1 scoop of crystal powder to it and watch the magic. In another cup, I am adding 25 ml of water and repeating the same. You can see there is 2 colored jewels are formed. The last one we did is the colorful jewels, the crystals making. Is that worked?
Yes.
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 Yes. Okay. So these are the experiments we did from the science kit. So if you like the video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. And subscribe to our channel.
Bye guys. Bye guys.
Thanks for watching. Bye.